Hi everyone, I'm astrologer N Baksh and welcome back to Sitaru Ka Safar. This week from August 23rd to August 29, 2024, we'll explore how the stars are influencing your career, health, love life and family. I'm excited to share some valuable insights and tips that can help you navigate the week ahead. So let's dive in and see what the cosmos have in store for you. We'll start with Aries and firstly we'll talk about the career and profession. This week your career may present both opportunities and challenges. With the Sun and Mercury influencing your work life, you'll find yourself inspired to come up with innovative solutions and creative ideas. However, you might face some difficulties in clarity and decision making. It is important to communicate clearly in team projects and collaborations. Stay focused on your goals, and if you're in a leadership role, show empathy and understanding towards your team. Financially, this week might show mixed results. With Jupiter and Saturn's influence, you should focus on financial planning and budgeting. Be cautious with unexpected expenses and investments. It is a good time to reassess your long term savings and investment strategies. Maintain financial stability by being disciplined and avoiding unnecessary expenditures. In terms of family and love life, this week looks supportive and emotionally fulfilling. The positions of Venus and the Moon will help strengthen your personal relationships. You may experience increased warmth and understanding in your relationships. Spend quality time with your family and partner and offer support where needed. Open and honest communication with your partner will enhance your love life. Health wise, focus on your routine and stress management. Mars and Jupiter's position will keep you motivated and active. Incorporate regular exercise and a healthy diet into your routine. Address stress and mental health issues with relaxation and mindfulness techniques. Ensure that you get adequate rest and relaxation, as a busy schedule may lead to fatigue. Here are some advices for you. In your career, maintain an innovative and focused approach and manage team collaborations effectively. Pay attention to financial planning and budgeting and avoid unnecessary spending. Show warmth and support in your relationships and spend quality time with your loved ones. Prioritize regular exercise and stress management for better health. Let's move on to Taurus. Firstly, we'll discuss about your career and professional life. This week, your career may see significant progress. With the Sun and Mercury in Leo, you'll find yourself driven and confident. Opportunities for growth and recognition could arise, especially if you're involved in creative or leadership roles. Ensure to communicate your ideas clearly and take initiative in your projects. Avoid overcommitting and manage your time efficiently. Financially, the week is likely to be stable but requires attention to detail. Jupiter in Taurus and Saturn's retrograde might bring up some old financial issues or the need for re-evaluation of your financial plans. Focus on budgeting and reviewing your investments. Be cautious with large expenditures and consider seeking advice for long term financial planning. Family and love life, you can expect harmony and support. The influence of Venus in Leo enhances your relationships, bringing warmth and affection. It is a good time to strengthen bonds with family and your partner. Plan some quality time together and address any unresolved issues with empathy and understanding. Health wise, it is important to maintain a balanced routine. The influence of Mars in Taurus will keep you energetic, but be mindful of overexertion. Incorporate balanced nutrition and regular exercise into your routine. Pay attention to any signs of stress or fatigue and take time to relax and unwind. Here are some advices for you. Stay focused and proactive in your career pursuits. Manage your finances carefully and seek advice if needed. Nurture your relationship with love and attention. Prioritize a balanced lifestyle with proper nutrition and stress management for optimal health. Let's move on to Gemini. Firstly, we'll talk about your career and profession. This week, your career may experience a surge in activity and innovation. With the Sun and Mercury in Leo, you'll be inspired and motivated to pursue new ideas and projects. Embrace any opportunities for leadership or collaboration. Communicate your ideas effectively and be open to feedback. However, avoid rushing decisions and ensure you have all the information before committing. Financially, this week could bring mixed results. Jupiter's position in Taurus suggests potential growth, but Saturn's retrograde might prompt you to reassess your financial strategies. It is a good time to review your budget and investments and possibly make adjustments to secure long term stability. Be cautious with spending and avoid unnecessary risks. In family and love life, the week is likely to be harmonious. Venus in Leo enhances emotional connections, making it a great time for expressing affection and deepening relationships. Focus on spending quality time with loved ones and addressing any minor disagreements with patience and understanding. Health wise, you may feel energetic and optimistic thanks to Mars and Taurus. However, be mindful of overexerting yourself. Maintain a balanced routine that includes a regular exercise and a healthy diet. Pay attention to any signs of stress or anxiety and incorporate relaxation techniques to keep your well being in check. Here are some advices for you. Stay proactive and innovative in your career endeavors. Manage your finances with caution and review your strategies. Foster strong relationships with open communication and quality time. Prioritize a balanced lifestyle and manage stress effectively to maintain good health. Let's move on to Cancer, and firstly we'll discuss about the career and profession. This week expect a boost in career opportunities with the Sun and Mercury in Leo. Your creativity and leadership skills will shine. Take advantage of networking opportunities and don't hesitate to take initiative on new projects. Your ability to connect with others will be crucial, so keep communication clear and positive. Financially, the presence of Venus in Leo may bring some favorable outcomes, but be cautious with spending. Jupiter's influence suggests growth potential, but ensure you're making informed decisions. Re-evaluate your budget and avoid impulsive purchases. Consider seeking advice if you're planning any significant investments. In family and love life, the week should be supportive and nurturing. Venus in Leo encourages heartfelt connections and romance. This is a good time to strengthen bonds with family and partners and to address any lingering issues with compassion and understanding. Enjoy quality time together and express your feelings openly. Health wise, you may feel emotionally sensitive but also motivated to improve your well being. Mars in Taurus supports physical activity and resilience. Incorporate activities that boost your mood and overall health, such as exercise and mindfulness practices. Pay attention to any stress or emotional strain and seek support if needed. Here are some advices for you. Embrace new opportunities in your career with confidence and creativity. Manage your finances carefully and make well informed decisions. Nurture your relationships with open communication and care. Focus on maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle, addressing both physical and emotional well being. Thanks for tuning into this week's Sitaro Ka Safar. I hope these insights for August 23rd to August 29th, 2024 help you make the most of the week ahead. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Do share your thoughts and questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time on Sitaro Ka Safar.